Hey everybody, this is DJ John Herrera with Profound Entertainment.
And this is DJ Gordon SKL with Major Music Entertainment. And today we've come together to give you the best DJ wedding tips.
This tip is about the last song. Now, when it comes to the last song, as a DJ, I always make an announcement. This will be the last song of the night, so guests and everybody is aware that this is in fact the last song of the night. However, if everybody's having a good time and I've done my job properly, people tend to want more. And then that comes with one more song. You know the chant. And as much as I would love to play one more song, it really isn't up to me. What you need to consider is we are at a venue, and at this venue, they have employees who are working. We're talking bartenders, servers, anybody who happens to be working at the venue. They don't necessarily want to stay longer than necessary. So if you do check with the venue, let me know, and I'd be happy to play that one more song and keep the party going.